Hey, how you doing, folks at Arcade One Up? My Tempest Arcade, the A button no longer works. Um, so my trackball's working. But when I go to hit select for a game, it's not working. I don't know if the other buttons are working or not. So I can't get into a game and tell, but I can't get into settings either. I tried unplugging the ribbon cable in the back, plugging it back in. I had opened up the back. Pardon the mess. I just built my Tron cabinet. And I made sure the connector for the A button was in, and it is. So I'm looking for any other ideas or any help you could give me. Thank you.